Yakuno, shuffling. Yakuno, chill spot a link up this whole giant. Poptain, Yardbwoy, bust a grip on me Gucci jacket.
Hashtag raga, Omo. Facebook, more swagger. Never rolling on a budget. Raga, Omo. Welcome to Nothing But the Hits, 3 to 5 p.m. right here on Zimbabwe's leading radio station, Star FM, sounding good all the time. My name is Boom Baby, and of course in studio holding it down on the ones and twos is DJ Sweet Face, and of course DJ Ozzy Az on the ones and twos. I love you guys. Thank you so much for coming through, and as always, hashtag Mufaro Kunamundu Wesa. So if you're loving the vibes, come through on 0775 897 897. Of course, I am live on Instagram right now at Team Riffy, so shout out to @Angel. How you doing, my sister, all the way in the UK? Hi at Mike_CR7099. Hi at AfriFancy Girlfriend. How you doing? And of course, let me see who's the last one. Hi at Tiwa Isaac. How you doing? Check out all our details on our Star FM Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram accounts. That is at Star FM Zimbabwe, and of course on Instagram at StarFM_ZW. So real quick, we told you we're coming at you with hashtag Rising Star right now, and of course also carrying it over into the following hour. That's how we started our hashtag Raga Omo vibes right here. But before I get him on the mic real quick, I gotta introduce him. Nice and easy, as Mr. Easy would say, Zagadat. Now when I move, you move just like that. The music gods have knighted him Rising Star Fresh Boy for this weekend. Now he's aiming for the major league whilst getting that daily manna from Mr. Vegas. He's ready to bring all entertainment right here on the decks because he is ready to pop it on the globe. Boom Nation, make some noise for your next favorite Zim Dancehall Rising Star, Poptain. Can I get an amen? Amen. Alright, so he's in the building, and we're going to make sure that we find out more and more about him. So I always say, let's say I got off a plane, and I heard Poptain is here to entertain. Please tell us, who's Poptain, honey?
Poptain is just a youth from the streets, man. The youth from the streets, from the yard, you know.
He's from the yard?
Yeah.
He's from the yard.
Yeah.
Which hood do you come from?
Kwazana, man, representing.
Kwazana. Alright, so I guess you know what the drill is. Everybody got to say, Mufaro Kunemunuwese Kukwazana. Okay, if everyone in studio can help me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mufaro Kunemunuwese Kukwazana. Even Kwazana is happy with that.
Mufaro Kunemunuwese Kukwazana.
Fantastic. It's your first time at Star FM?
Yeah, man, I'm my first time.
I'm
the second time after DJ and ballet.
Okay, I see you. So what is your talent? What's your skill? Where does the love of music come from?
From my voice. I feel like I have to use, can't waste my voice. So that's where the talent come from. Before everything, I have to take use of my voice,
You got that Beanie Man vibe going on with you right now. I absolutely love it. If you have heard of Poptain, come through on 0775 897 897 and just represent. If you're from Kwazana, also come through and say Mufaro Kunemunuwese. Shout out to Sunny Mushipe Pambare saying Mufaro Kunemunuwese. And of course I was saying you're doing a great performance. Keep rocking Sando Zenyu. Truly sounding good all the time. Yes, and of course, Mvura Chinks Chakanyanya, Wandi Pinza Mumud, weekend. Of course, this is from Maichi Tiza. How you doing? Thank you so much to everyone who's tuned in. Of course, I'm always saying that, September stands for September. That's for everyone born in September. You are a Bay. So September and Bay equals September. And of course, I'm a September. Which month were you born in, Poptain?
The artist youth born in May.
In May? Yeah. On which date?
22nd.
22nd.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's your star sign?
Gemini Easy.
Gemini Easy. Yeah. Alright, so Boo Baby joins the rest of the Team Virgo right here with, of course, Beyonce and I guess Pokelo. So we are all going to be rocking out. Every day in September is our birthday. So do you like making beats for summer or beats for winter, or you just like making beats?
Yo, any type of beat, man.
Any type of beat is your beat. Anything you like.
Yeah.
Alright, so where can we get you real quick on social media before we, dash on over to the news?
My social media is Poptain at Real Poptain on Instagram A trail Poptain on Twitter, Poptain on Facebook and all of them places there. This was Poptain, Poptain, representing the Yardbwoy family.
Representing Yardbwoy family. How's your Saturday looking? We've got fire music coming your way. We're still going to be continuing with hashtag Raga Raga Omo in the following hour. A couple of messages coming through saying, Mad Poptain there from Harmony Kupara Alta Mutare. So some love in Mutare. Have you been to Mutare?
Yeah man, yeah man.
You've been to Mutare, you've performed. Alright,
yeah.
so we're going to keep the party going right here on Star FM. Keep it locked as we come at you with hashtag Raga Raga Omo. Don't forget to check out my Instagram live. We got some studio moments happening right there. They can just show us some love right there at Team Riffy. Otherwise, from this end, let's get straight into paying some bills just like this. And of course, the news at the top of the hour. When I move, you move just like that. Yeah, just like that. The music gods have knighted him Rising Star Fresh Boy for this weekend. Now he's aiming for the major league whilst getting the daily manna from Mr. Vegas. Ready to bring a lot of entertainment, of course, into Battle Out right here in studio. Boom Nation, make some noise for your next favorite Zim Dancehall Rising Star, Poptain. And can I get an amen? Amen. Alright, Poptain in the building.
Yeah.
Alright, you're a Zim dancehall artist. How old are you?
I'm a dancehall artist.
Yeah, a dancehall artist.
Yeah.
So you don't want to be put in a box to say Zim dancehall. He wants to make it international.
I'm a real African who deal with borders. Our thing no have no limit, man.
No
Take
limit.
it to the world.
Take it to the world. Take it to the world. You know what's really interesting? On the phone, when I talk to you, you know, it's easy vibes. Then you come into the studio and you hit me with your accent. And I'm just like, oh my goodness, who is this guy? Where did you come from? Where did you come from? All right, so I'm absolutely loving it.
Yeah,
All right, so tell me, what is the one thing you have to do every week? What's that one thing that you got to do every week? Every week.
Record more than 10 songs.
Record more than 10 songs every day.
Studio man, sleep at studio my thing. So me record, more of a record.
More of a record.
No, do nothing.
So the question really is right now, like, how do you identify a hit? Like, how do you know it's a hit?
You know, as a youth, we deal with righteousness and things. We just believe a hit come from the Almighty. You know? If God say, oh, my youth, it's time for you to have a hit, I believe it can be a hit. But still, sometimes good music sound like hits as well. So me, every music of mine is a hit. I just the time now come yet. When the time come, you will find out say I produce hit after hit.
Hit after hit after hit. If you just logged in, come through. Mofaro Kunem when we said because the 2 tracks from Poptain will be bumping right here. Now I know he has done a track. I think let's talk about this track called Gudhu Leidhi. Just tell me more details about it, because when I got it, I had 3 people first message it to me, and then you came a day later, and I was like, don't worry, Poptain, I already got the song. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. So tell us of the thought process. Why Gudhu Leidhi, Boom Baby? Because you said it was a dedication, and even Martin Boka was like, Boom Baby, you know what? Yeah, this guy did a song for you. And I was like, I know.
Yeah. Big man thing. You know what happened? Like, I've been listening to your show for a long while now. You know, it plays everywhere, man. You know, every day in a car you hear Star FM I play, you know. So your show when I go on tour, I'm thinking of my year show on Saturdays and thinking, you know, so it was a name I couldn't. What kind of woman would think of a thing like that? Boom.
Yes.
Dealing with boom. What kind of bum you deal with you and
Yes.
So I was like, yo, me forget her dedication, and she pretty though, so I had to describe her and make sure say everybody know who the lady is, you know.
Thank you so much. You melt my heart, you guys. Guys, the life is so hard over here, as we like to say in Afrikaans. It's like a pain you over here. But it's alright because we've got the track Gudhu Leidhi, Boom Baby.
Yeah.
Do you think I'm a good lady?
If you wasn't a good lady, me never would have sing a song for you.
Oh yeah. So you know what? I've got a vision for the music video. We want to go to Jamaica. Do you guys want to go to Jamaica with him?
Yeah.
No, I said, do you guys want to go to Jamaica with him? Will you take all of us? Please take all of us. We go shoot the music video there.
Man. Everybody are going to touch Sangstars soon. Yeah, big man thing, you know.
Alright, so let's get back to more music right here, because that's what it's all about, playing nothing but the hits. Of of course, your next favorite rising stars coming your way. If you are a rising star, you know what to do. Just drop me a DM on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter at Team Rufy, and I'll get it right there. Let's get into hashtag Raga Raga Omo with Good Lady by Poptain. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hashtag Raga Raga Omo. Raga Raga Omo. Star FM. Sounding good all the time.
Poptain, you know, Malanti, yeah. She brown and she fine. Watch how she broke out her spine.
Hey, yeah.
The latest design. Akasikwa well we can't deny my type.
Hey,
She took a chagare berera. Forget a little to the no de mera. We are gonna baby chingo so de.
What are you mad?
I have to make sure.
Alright, yeah, there's a camera over here. Yeah, let's do this. Let's go. Wait. Yeah.
Yakuna.
I gotta try and twerk up on this. Yeah.
Poptain, you know. Malanti, yeah. She brown and she fine. Watch how she broke out her spine. The latest design. Akasikwa well we can't deny my type. She took a chakara berera. Forget a little to the no de mera. Uya kono baby chingo so derera. Saraka denganda to perera. Gudhu Leidhi, Mr. Boom baby. Gudhu Leidhi, anogeza JD. Boom baby, slim tall baby. Diite office and inozotora braibi. Gudhu Leidhi, Mr. Gudhu baby. Boom baby, slim tall baby. Gudhu Leidhi, anogeza JD. Diite office and inozotora braibi. Get a step. Say musuol jando is to fight for you. You're right, hey.
I gotta turn on him.
Yeah, me love the when you get down low. Assisting dapo. Yakosa ya meneyo. Timvado aripo. Gudhu Leidhi, Mr. Boom baby. Gudhu Leidhi, anogeza JD. Boom baby, slim tall baby. Diite office and inosotora braibi. Gudhu Leidhi, Mr. Gudhu baby. Boom baby, anogeza JD. Boom baby, slim tall baby. Diite office and inosotora braibi. Yeah. She brown and she fine. Watch out, she broke out and spine. The latest design. Akasikwa well we can't deny my type. She took a chagare berera. Forget a little to the no de mera. We are gonna baby chingo so derera. Saraka denganda to perera. Gudhu Leidhi, Mr. Boom baby. Gudhu Leidhi, anogeza JD. Boom baby, slim tall baby. Diite office and inozotora braibi. Gudhu Leidhi, Mr. Gudhu baby. Boom baby, slim tall baby. Gudhu Leidhi, anogeza JD. Diite office and inozotora braibi. Alright. Me freestyle for you good woman, you know. Boom baby.
Yeah, baby. Freestyle for me, Andy.
Me tell you, Empress, come here now, we make a princess, don't vex. I don't test me one, test me, say you stress. If a man a trouble you, you better be your ex. Me end up liking you, to me say you just flex. Oh no, girl, you make a good structure. When you picture body my way, yeah. It's me and you alone, forget your man, you mean. Love your Jordan and come straight to a mean señorita. Me love you, mi amor. When God design you, you put diamond and gold. Mama sita, me want be your señor. Mama, me beg you. Me tell you this, boom. Me say, Gudhu Leidhi, you know. Yeah.
Halala to the weekend. Halala. Live on Instagram at Team Rufy. I've just been twerking a little bit on Poptain. Where have you been at?
Working.
That track is called Gudhu Leidhi. Where can people get it online? Is it online? Can someone go and stream it? You've just done the live version, so if someone wants to hear the OG one.
Right now, the thing is live on YouTube. So log on to my YouTube, Poptain. No. It's Yardbwoy Movements. Yardbwoy Movements. YARDBWOY Move Meds meditation.
Yeah, where's my t-shirt? Did you bring it?
No, yes,
bring
yes,
I
yeah.
thought I was gonna catch you guys out on that one. This one says, chakanyanya. This guy is too much. Clinton from Chipisa. Movara kune mundu wese kuma Chipisa. And hot like hot chili. Yeah. Boom baby, that guy Anne Swagger. Of course, someone was saying, "Boom baby, wish you many more years to come." Yes, if you're born in September, you are a September. That is your babe born in September. So happy birthday to everyone born in September. Poptain, you've got another track. We have to bump it right now if you seriously want to get down. So let's Distraction Boys the weekend right now. What's this track called and who worked on it?
It's called Party Kumatapi, and my label when we sign under, I'm signed under Chill Spot, and a Chill Spot recorded, Levels produced the beat, you know, Decoy Rhythm, Party Kumatapi, for them by people, you know.
I'm ready to twerk to it, so guys do enjoy, so let's take it away just like this.
Hashtag Raga Omo. Star FM. Sounding good all the time.
Yardbwoy. Fantan Chill Spa. Make them know. Oyakuna. A Poptain, you know. Levels level up. Tiripa Davidos. Tetaka Isa, of course. Girl blooming like rose. Sure, she got the sauce. Busy body make a toast. Girl, you fi make a bounce fan body. Do the tan toddy. Connect like body like school. Yeah, you them study. Do the tan toddy. Connect like body. Me tell you this spin dam kati. Shumba no room and in the body garden. Yana kuguma. Pawaka senda pick the kanzo ne kuzuma. Zasunza witeze kujuma. Girl waka batana say galado. Yakono. You make me feel just like Alado. Yeah. Nasikune party kumatapi. Teta kili watapin. Danzongwe rastati watating. Tell him kune party kumatapi. Nasikune party kumatapi. Teta kili watapin. Danzongwe rastati watating. Tell him kune party kumatapi. Ribe uyane chimwesh bodoro. Anongongwa mixa nenda kushtoro. Mayelo bonne mablish me semporo. Me tell you this. Nasatirare, adresimbare harare. See the party a slapway, abisha uyane ferrare. Musati finure, kanata batwa. Musati finure, kanata dandwa. Tofambane ma pressure manager, Templeman Gary flavor yetatan. Papa loads we are in my bad boys. Guys rino fambane ma big toys. Pindam kati shumba ino room and in bodyguard Indiana kuguma pa wakasenda pick da kanzo ni kujuma zunza witeze kujuma. Are you ready for my different tune? My tune pantam level and I represent for all the ladies them. Are you ready? Boom baby. Me tell you this. Boss a grip on me Gucci jacket. Like say you dip on the Kawasaki. And take with the thing where they in a me pocket. You must tell us man up you just come and like it. Wine and brace it for me. Tip on your toe my baby darling. The long talking that's not necessary. Cause you mad over Yardbwoy no. Well I know. Chuku check it. 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 Listen this. Shake up. Salt shaker, earthquake, Bobby doll, Ndengendeka, same by Sina, oh, the Vengeteka, girl, you are mad, do no Pengereka. Listen, some other girl ask whopping, action, no batak, no chatting, girl, Pandaku, no chita, trapping, click, clapping, when you bapping, hey, girl, me love to see you wind up, your body right. Boom, pandy body, young cash right. Me love to see you move up, your body right, Yardbwoy, there, stand behind you. People, them want to fight you, you know, when you're freestyle. Big up yourself, boom baby, representing Star FM, Chill Spot Interact. Yardbwoy movements, Poptain, you know. Big up all the DJ, them want to support the youth, you know. You see me? Take it to another level, you know. Madman thing. Up there, top there. Follow me on Twitter at Real Poptain, and then Instagram at Real Poptain, and then go up on my YouTube at Yardbwoy movements, and then boom, The thing going like boom baby.
And the thing goes boom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much for coming to studio. All the best with you moving forward.
Okay.
2018, 2019. I always say we're not living here until we're done. And of course we're not living until the rapture. If I'm going the rapture, my mistake, because that's what I'm going to say. But before you go, you have to say hi. My name is Poptain, and you're listening to Boom Baby on Star FM. Take it away.
Yo, well you don't know, it's Poptain representing for Boom Baby. The artist baby pan station. The pan rotation. Attack action. No play no faction.
Yeah. I love you. Have a great weekend. And of course, follow him online if you want to check out where he's going to be hanging out later on tonight.